The event today is a music festival or a music concert bringing in a bunch of international artists. It is a premiere of a baritone from Germany who is incidentally awesome. He was really terrific. And then we are also doing, I think it's Schumann's Quintet. And it is an organization that has been founded by Ruth Kahn and her fine husband or partner, who is the chef, and they come in small homes and they put together concerts, music, and wine for an intimate group of people.
We put on these concerts and raise money to provide youth access to the arts that don't have the funds available.
When I started working on them, I was already in love with the poems before I knew what kind of music he would write, because they have a great depth to them. I think they are. Someone had asked me at some point what I think that makes them special, and I think that art in general can really work on different levels. It can just be aesthetically pleasing, it can be really emotionally beguiling, or it can really be intellectually challenging. And I think these poems really check all of these boxes. They have a beauty to them just through the use of language, but they're also very deep and thoughtful. And when I heard the music that Clint had written for the first time, I thought that this is really the perfect complement, because it's he takes these qualities and adds his own artistry to it, and in my feeling, just doubles down on the emotional depth of the songs. So I couldn't be happier.
I mean, the poems are really intimidating to set to music, and I was worried I was not going to be able to give the poems, justice, do the poems justice, and the fact that everyone enjoys the songs, I felt a little sense of relief. It was commissioned by Michael Cabruno, and it was written specifically for Malte. And they came to me with the poems already chosen, and the poems are about birds, and the poetry is by Wendell Berry. And Wendell Berry just wrote all these beautiful poems about birds, so I researched the bird that Wendell Berry listened to, because he did some sort of article, and I wanted it to get, because the first few songs are about birds, but they're not which specific bird. So I wanted to see which bird he was talking about, and then that bird call created the musical ideas for the cycle.
We get to hear this great music up close. We call it a front row seat and a backstage pass, as a matter of fact.